Alright, so today I'm going to be working on this Ford F-150. Looks like it had an airbag blowout. So basically these are the airbags in here, if you can see that. And when you get in an accident, these shoot out. That way it opens up against your door. If you come this way, you hit this airbag that comes out of here. So basically what happens is a new one has to be sewn in. And there's a module on the bottom that connects basically to the computer. That way it's reset, and when you get back into another accident, it's gonna explode again, do this thing, save you. Alright, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna try to remove a lot of this old thread that's in there. We'll just pull it all out little bit, get it all cleaned up, and basically I'm gonna rethread starting up here all the way down. I'm going to try to follow these holes exactly, and we're going to put this thing back together. So that's what we're doing. It's a really easy way to get it together. It's not any rocket science or nothing like this. You know, all you want it to do is be together and look good and look like it was supposed to be that way. I use thread that's very similar color to what they already had. Almost identical, I would say. This is the stuff that it's like the strongest stuff you can get. This thread, it's so strong that I don't want to pull on it because it will hurt if I do that. So basically I'll just continue to do this, make sure we get all these little threads out of here, because they just can be a pain in the butt if they don't come out. Don't worry about it. We'll cut them out with a razor. Got a razor up there. And yeah, so as you can see, I mean, we got a lot of the thread out of there. It'd be better if I had my little scissors with me, but I don't. And then, you know, you can just kind of run your blade across it and kind of shave off the little stick out hairs there. Don't press hard on your blade because you don't want it to cut into the leather. And like I said, whatever you don't get out of there, it's not the end of the world. You'll be alright. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to get our fancy super strong thread. Now I use a curved needle for these. Oop, as long as you don't lose them. They look like this. Alright, I got a small one and I have a large one. Okay, so what I was seeing is one's smaller, one's larger. This one's a little stronger, can take a little bit more bend, or take a little more pressure, I guess, because this one bends pretty good too. So I have backups. They're good to have for this kind of work. I'm gonna thread it. I'm gonna thread the thread quite long because this is quite a long tear. And then I'm gonna start up here and I'm gonna go into where it's already started, and I'm gonna follow the holes, and I'm gonna come out something like, I might try to line it up with the hole in there, because I'm like right where my nail's at. That's where I'm at, and I want to be a little further down. So oh yeah, I might go with this bigger needle because you see I came out that hole, skipped the hole. That might be the trend. Just easier to do it that way. So that's the way I'm going to do it, and then I'm going to go directly across from it to the opposite hole. I'll skip a hole, go to the next one, and come across again, directly across. I'm going to continue that all the way down, and we'll check in as I go. Alright, so leather's kind of tough, but we're getting through it. You know, we've already did a 1/4 inch right there, but basically you can see what I'm doing. Go directly across, directly across, directly across, directly across. And you can see where I'm doing. I'm gonna go across there, but first we're gonna catch everything up. So we'll push it, we'll pull it as we're pushing it. That way we're not, you know, we're making it easy. We're not making it have to pull. We're just making it very nice and easy. And you can see that's how it's gonna be. It's gonna close up. It's going to be a nice solid line, and it'll be better than this. So stay tuned and we will keep you posted. Alright, so this is where we're at so far. It's extremely cold out here, and the leather gets real tough in the cold weather. So about halfway through it, been at it about 30 minutes. Just tough getting into these strips here. It's real tough in the cold, so that's what I'm dealing with. But we're almost done, and it's looking really good, so we're gonna keep going. Alright, so we finished up this Ford F-150. Had a blowout of an airbag. Blew this seam out right here. As you can see, we have sewn it back up. Didn't have to take off the skin. Didn't have to run it through a machine. We just did a cross stitch pattern. I ran it down to here. I knotted it, and then I ran the thread all the way down to down here, and I got a knot down there. It's a hidden thread, so you can't see. There's no way to tell that, you know, you can't see it basically. So that's that. We're gonna leave it at that. Hopefully you guys can see that good on these glasses, and have a good day.